Welcome to GovConDash.ai, the easiest way to prepare your incurred cost proposal. Let's click Get Started Free and dive into the dashboard. This is the ICP Dashboard, your command center for incurred cost proposal preparation. The dashboard gives you a real-time overview, overall progress, completion status by schedule, and any validation issues flagged across your proposal. You can also load the XYZ Corporation demo data to explore a fully completed proposal. There's also a guided tour, a built-in glossary, and a downloadable user manual. Now let's click into Prepare Proposal. This is where you enter all your company data. The process is broken into 7 clear steps: Setup, Chart of Accounts, General Ledger, Job Cost Ledger, Contracts, IRS 941, and Certification. Let's start with Step 1, Setup. We'll enter XYZ Corporation as the company name. Now we'll answer the general questions, things like fiscal year-end date, and accounting system type. Moving to the accounting questions, we'll select our allocation-based methodology and confirm our indirect cost pool structure. On to Step 2, Chart of Accounts. Here you can import your account structure from Excel. Locate your Chart of Accounts file on your computer. Just drag and drop your Excel file and you'll see an instant preview of the data. Next is column mapping. The system auto-detects your account number, name, and cost category columns. You can adjust mappings if needed. Then the validation step checks for errors, missing account numbers, duplicate entries, and unmapped categories. Once validated, click Import and your chart of accounts is loaded into the system. Step 3, General Ledger. Same workflow. Import your trial balance or GL export from Excel. You'll see the file preview, then map columns for account number, description, and amounts. Validation runs automatically, and your GL data is imported in seconds. Now let's look at the reconciliation dashboard. This is where your data integrity gets validated. First up, cross-schedule checks. The system automatically verifies that totals match across Schedule A, B, G, H, and L. Any mismatches are flagged immediately. Next is data completeness. The system checks that all required schedules have been generated and that no critical data fields are missing. The Adequacy Review auto-population feature is really powerful. It pre-fills checklist responses based on the data you've entered. Here you'll see validation findings, warnings about potential unallowable costs detected. For example, the demo flags public relations and advertising costs under FAR 31.205-1. These need adjustment or removal before submission. Let's look at Schedule B. This shows your indirect cost adjustments. Accounts like advertising, entertainment, and bad debts are properly adjusted as unallowable. Now, the Adequacy Review, this is a 47-question self-assessment checklist based on DCAA's publicly available Adequacy Review criteria. For each question, you mark whether the requirement was received and adequate, add comments, and reference supporting evidence. The review covers everything from proper schedule formatting to cost segregation. Moving to scenario modeling. This lets you create what-if scenarios to optimize your indirect rates. Model different allocation bases, adjust cost pools, and prepare for DCAA rate negotiations. Finally, the report section, your one-stop shop for exporting everything you've built. First, export schedules as Excel. This generates a formatted Excel workbook containing all schedules A through O, ready for submission. Next, the ICP report. This generates a printable, formatted report containing every generated schedule in one document. Finally, export the full audit package as a downloadable zip file. It includes Excel workbooks for each data input step and is ready to support a DCAA audit. That's GovConDash.ai. Prepare your incurred cost proposal with confidence. Get started free at incurredcostproposal.com.